Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to complete our unit number 8 which we have started yesterday. Today we are going to complete it. So let's start and see what we are going to do today. So here we have ask and answer. We are going to look at the picture and we are going to give answers. So let's see what is this. What time is it? Yes, here we have some pictures of clock and we are going to look at these clocks and after that we are going to tell time. So let's have a look at the first clock and tell time. What time is it? Yes, what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. And if we have a complete or, so then we can say it like this. It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. And one more thing, students, to guess the time, what you have to do, your maths teacher also have told you about this. You have to read the table of 5. You have to read the table of 5 and it will be easy for you to guess the time. It's mean, for example, you have to first look at the small hand and the big hand, and after that you have to read the table where you find big hand, and it will be really easy for you to guess the time. So on the very first clock we have it is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. Now let's move to the next one and guess the time. Okay, now look at the other watch. Here we have, yes, on this clock what we have the time. Yes, time is, as I've told you, that you have to read the table of 5 by looking at the position of big hand. So here we have big hand on 6, so it's mean we are going to read the table of 5 till 6. So 5, 6 are 30. So it's mean here we have time for 30. Yes, because small hand is on the 4. So here we have 4:30. It is 4:30. Let me show you. So it is 4:30. Now look at the next clock. Okay, what time is it? It is, now look at the position of big hand and small hand. Yes, small hand is in between 2 and 3 and the big hand is on 9. So it's mean we are going to read the table of 5 till 9. So 5 nines are 45 and here we have time 2:45. 2:45. So now let's move to the last one. Yes, what time is it? What time is it? Yes, now look at the position of big hand and small hand once again. Here we have, this is a small hand and this is a big hand. And look at the position of the big hand. Yes, it's on 3. It's mean we are going to read the table of 5 till 3, and 5 6 are 5 3 are 5 threes are 15. And here we have small hand is in between. It's not in between, it's near to 1. So it's 1:15. It is 1:15. Now let's go to the next one. And we also have completed ask and answer, and now we are going towards next one, which is learn to write. And in learn to write we also have some clocks and we are going to guess time. What time is on the clock? So look at the very first clock and guess the time. Yes, it is, very nice, 1:10. It is 1:10. Very good. Now look at the next one. Yes, first you have to look at the position of the hand and after that you have to tell the time. Yes, so what is this? It is 7:25. It is 7:25 because big hand is on 5 and 5 fives are 25 and small hand is on 7, so it's mean the time is 7:25. The time is 7:25. Now let's have a look at the next one, second last. Yes, look at the needles first. You have to look at the small hand and the big hand, and now tell the time. It is, because now we are going to write complete sentence. So what will be the sentence? Yes, it is 4:35. It is 4:35 because small hand is in between 4 and 5, so it's mean it will be 4. So 4:35 by looking at the position of big hand. Now look at the last one. Yes, what time is it? Very good. It's because the small hand is near the 10 and it's not complete 10, and the big hand is on 11, so it's mean 5 11s are 55, so it's mean here we have time 9:55. Yes, it is 9:55. And student, have you noticed one thing? There is a full stop at the end of every sentence. Yes, here we have full stop, here we have full stop, here we have full stop, and here we also have full stop. So you also have to write full stop after completing your sentence, and first letter should be capital, as you can see in this sentence also that first letter is capital. And when your sentence is complete, so you have to put full stop because sentence is complete. Very good. And you have to practice this page. Now let's move to the next segment, and it is let's talk, and it is about visiting a doctor. Yes, today in Let's Talk we are going to learn that how to talk to a doctor when you visit a doctor. So let's start and see. Assalamu alaikum. What can I do for you?
Walaikum Assalam. Doctor, oh, I do not feel well. I have high fever.
Come and sit here. Open your mouth. How long have you had fever?
Since yesterday.
No problem. Do you take a lot of water?
No.
Nothing to worry about. I will give you medicine and you will feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Now let's read it one more time. Assalamu alaikum. What can I do for you? Walaikum assalam. Oh, walaikum assalam, doctor. Oh, I do not feel well. I have a high fever. Come and sit here. Open your mouth. How long have you had fever? Since yesterday. No problem. Do you take lot of water? No. Nothing to be worried about. I will give you medicine and you will feel better soon. Thank you, doctor. Now let's move to the next one, and don't forget to practice this and do this with your siblings and friends because it is very easy to learn. And if you will practice this now, so you will learn how to talk to a doctor when you visit the doctor. Is that clear? Now let's move to the word bank. And in the word bank today we are going to read names of prayer. Names of prayer. Look at the first one is Fajr. Then we have Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. One more time. Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. And if you will look towards the picture now, it will be easy for you to guess the name of the prayer. कि जब सुबह सूरज निकलने से पहले जब चांद हमें हल्का सा नज़र आ रहा होता है, फजर का टाइम होता है. जब सूरज सर पे होता है एंड तो दैट इज़ टाइम ऑफ ज़ुहर. और जब सूरज तलू होने की तरफ जा रहा होता है तो दैट इज़ असर. और जब तलू हो जाता है जब गुरूब होने की तरफ होता है, यानी गुरूब होने से थोड़ा सा अर्सा पहले, वो असर का टाइम होता है, और जब सूरज गुरूब हो जाता है तो मगरिब का टाइम होता है, और जब शाम रात हो जाती है तो दैट इज़ टाइम ऑफ इशा। सो फजर, ज़ोहर, असर, मगरिब एंड इशा। और सब लोग नमाज़ पढ़ते हैं आप लोग? वेरी नाइस, सब लोग बहुत अच्छे से नमाज़ पढ़ा करें, बिकॉज़ नमाज हमारे दीन का सतून है, ठीक है। और प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने यह भी फरमाया कि नमाज मेरी आँखों की ठंडक है, तो इसलिए हम सबको नमाज ज़रूर पढ़नी चाहिए। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन। Now here we have student activity, and what you have to do, read and match. You are going to read this, and after that you are going to do the matching. Here we have Fajr at night, Zuhr after sunset, Asr in the afternoon, Maghrib before the sunset, and Isha before the sunrise. So we are going to do matching. Fajr, yes. Fajr before the sun rise. Yes, now look at the Zohar in the afternoon. And here we have Asr before the sun set. Now look at the Maghrib after the sunset, and Isha at night. So you have to read this and match this. This is very interesting activity, and this is very important regarding your exams also. So do it properly, and don't forget to learn it properly. Now let's move to the last one, which is revision time. Yes, now look at the revision time. Follow the maze and connect the rhyming word. Here we have maze and we are going to solve it, and what we have to do, इसको कैसे complete करेंगे? Yes, by joining the dots with the help of rhyming words. So ये बहुत easily होता जाएगा. Look at the first one. Let me show you answers, and you will do it by yourself. Yes, you can solve it now. Because this is your own activity, so I would like to check if you are able to do it or not. Let me show you. Look at the first one. If you will enter from here, so be, hey, that is done. And after that, be, hey, and you have to come here, lay, and there we have way, and it's and here. In the same way, if we'll start from here, bit, then we have to hit, sit, and kit, and it's and here. Now look at the next one is pot, hot, not, lot, and it will end here. So it's very interesting. So you have to do it by yourself. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Don't forget to learn your lesson, and don't forget to do your homework. And your homework is, yes, you will do your work neatly like this, and you have to write names of prayer and do them neatly. Don't forget to underline it. There should be margin lines and neat homework, and don't forget to do to note down your index as well. We will meet inshallah in next lesson. Learn your lesson properly. Allah Hafiz.